It's Melody Ann, your host, and today I want to talk about reader magnets. Last week I talked about why you need an email list. So if you haven't caught that, go grab that and watch that and then come back to this because that's talking about why you need an email list, how to get people on your email list. Well, a reader magnet, also called a download or a lead magnet. Lots of ways you can frame that. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to use the word reader magnet today. So what is a reader magnet? A reader magnet is a gift of valuable content in exchange for a person's email. So you're an author and you, let's say, have 3 books and you want people to get on your email list so you can talk about your work, your books, your ideas. So you offer some valuable content in terms of a reader magnet in exchange for their email. And when you have your email, you can start building rapport with them. You can start building a relationship with them. So why do you need a reader magnet? Well, you need it because that's one of the reasons, that's the exchange for the email. And when people give you their email for a reader magnet, they are expecting you to send them emails. They're expecting you to work on developing a relationship with them, right? But that is the initial exchange. So what is a reader magnet exactly? What do I mean by valuable content? It could be a template for something. Maybe in your book, you talk about, how to organize your home. And so on your website, you have a template for 6 weeks to an organized home. They buy your book, they come, they get the template, and now they're on your email list. It could be a checklist. It could be that you write a book about how to train your puppy, and in the you say, hey, bought the book, head over to the website, here's a checklist. So a checklist, a worksheet. It could be a worksheet on how to organize chores in your house with your family. And that might be it. It could be an exclusive chapter. Some authors give away chapter 1. So instead of just going out and buying the book, you can download chapter 1, read that, and decide whether you want to buy the book from there. And of course, the author now gets to email you and talk about the book and encourage you to buy the book. It could be how-to guides. I'm actually going to do an entire video all on reader magnet ideas, so I'm going to leave it there for now. But you want it to be something that addresses a specific pain point or solves a problem for your your target audience. It's a high quality piece of content. It's not, I've seen people like, I'll just throw a blog post. I'll just give them a blog post. Your blog post is on your website. That's not a reader magnet. Reader magnet is content that they're not going to get in another way, or something that they generally pay a small amount for. It's high quality content. It has a high quality design. It is formatted well, and it gives them something they're looking for. It solves a pain point, as I said. It is a solution to something, right? So where do you put these reader magnets? Well, in the last video, email on my brain. In the last video, I talked about having an email list so you don't have to constantly put stuff on social media. What can you put out on social media? Invite to the reader magnet to get them on your email list. It could be on your web page. You could have a landing page, your author website, in communities, on author pages and other places. Always make sure, though, that you have a really clear call to action, right? So in the last video, I talked about why you have an email list. And so I'm going to touch on that go watch that one, but just generally, you're nurturing relationships. You're nurturing relationships, and you're nurturing relationships to help with future launches, to sell products and services you already have, whether that's a book, a course, coaching, or whatever it happens to be. So go watch the other video about getting an email list if you don't have one. And if you do have one and you don't have a reader magnet and a lead page that gets people and exchange, put your email here and I'll send you this reader magnet. That is your next step. And if you need any help with that, uh, please just let me know. In the description down there, you can find how you can contact me, and I'm looking forward to helping you with that. Have a great day.